to explain to you the exact reason why you cannot seem to shake this person or leave this person alone. Okay, so stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about soul ties. Okay, if I look down, it's because I took notes. We about to get straight into it. All right, now what is a soul tie? A soul tie is when your soul is like physically, emotionally, mentally, and even spiritually intertwined with another person's soul, causing what we would call in the spiritual world like a tie / attachment. Sex is energy. So once you have decided to lay with this person, you have now opened up the opportunity for your soul to now take on anything that their soul has taken on. Okay? Not only what their soul has taken on, but anybody else's soul that they have also previously laid with before you. Okay? If they have not spiritually detoxed and cleansed themselves from the last person. Okay? So I am going to go over these signs, 4 signs that you may have a soul tie. Number 1, non-stop thinking of this person. Some will even label it as obsessive thinking of this person. Like you just cannot stop thinking of this person. You might check their social media all the time. Like you don't know why you're even thinking of this person, but you just cannot stop thinking of them. They are always on your mind. Okay? Number 2, you cannot shake this person. Y'all always find yourselves back together. Whether you start a new relationship, whether you dealt with anybody else, you always find yourself back dealing with this individual. Okay? Can't shake them for nothing. It's too hard for you to be able to fully and completely move on from this person. Okay? Number 3, unstable mood swings. Now, I don't feel like enough people talk about this one. When you have formed soul ties, just like I said previously, you have taken on energetically, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically, everything that their soul has attached to it. That's what you have opened up the opportunity for your soul to now be attached to. So if you dealt with somebody who was like always being negative or stressed out all the time, or dealt with some real deal mental health issues or serious issues, you now have opened up your opportunity to your soul to deal with that as well. Okay, so if you find yourself with these random mood swings, like, why do I feel this way? Like, I was just good, I was just fine. Then all of a sudden, randomly, like, you're in a bad mood, or like you're emotional, or you just sad, depressed. And you're like, dang, I wasn't even feeling this way before until I start dealing with this person. Now I don't know why I'm having these random mood swings and spasms. Like, what is going on with me? Like, maybe I need to go get help or something. I don't know why I'm feeling this way. Soul ties. And of course, therapists who are not like on a like spiritual, what's the word I'm looking for? Therapists who aren't really spiritually intertwined with their practice, then they're not going to speak on things like this. Okay, so they don't really have anything to say when it comes to this, like, oh, well, maybe this is going on with you, or maybe this is going, like, no. Spiritually, it's because you have a soul tie. Okay. Number 4, you can't connect authentically with anyone else. Okay, like when you meet this with a new person or find yourself in a new situation or a new relationship, you are always still thinking about the other person. Even when time has went by and you find yourself like, okay, I'm over this person, I'm done, I'm good, you still are thinking about this person. You still are comparing little things with the new person and this person. You still are kind of moving how this person would want you to move. So for example, if you was dealing in a past relationship and it was a soul tie, this person might have been like, oh, I don't want you to ever go to dance school. Like, don't do that. I don't like dance school. And even though it's been months later and you've moved on from this person, you still might not go to dance school because you're still thinking about what this person wants when you should be moved on by now, So you just cannot seem to like be able to successfully move on to like new connections and authentically just connect with somebody else and build and grow with somebody else because you still have that soul tie there. Okay. So what you would need to do if you have a soul tie is make sure you are, first of all, vetting them. Okay, you need to be vetting them mentally, emotionally, physically, like in every aspect. Of course, you need to be vetting people. Like, who did you deal with previously? What was that relationship like? Like, what did you do after the relationship? Like, kind of getting a sense of, like, after their relationships and connections with other people, what are they doing? Are they just jumping to the next person? Are they taking some time to themselves to, like, do inner work? Like, you need to be vetting people before you just start dealing with them. You also need to cleanse yourself. Detox and cleanse yourself. Pray, meditate. Like, that's the way you spiritually cleanse yourself. Like, a lot of people don't take their spiritual health serious at all. Like, they worry about their physical health, their financial health, their mental, emotional health, but they lack on their spiritual health. You've got to be spiritually healthy. It is important for you to take time throughout the year to go on fast, go on a detox. Like, you know, pray, meditate. You have to charge your spirit and soul just like you charge your phone. You don't think your soul gets drained with all the energies and spirits that you deal with on a daily basis? You don't think your soul gets drained and needs charged? So spiritual health is going to always be important. Okay. And also your intuition will kick in. Once you get spiritually healthy, your intuition kicks in and tells you straight up, don't deal with that. Don't do this, you know? So that is the 4 signs that you might have a soul tie. If you enjoyed this, let me know. I will see you guys in the next video for the next topic.